Good morning everybody. Good morning. Let me just get my camera all nice and sexy for you all. Cool. Here we are. First stream on Funder Pro Futures YouTube channel. Let's just wait a bit until the views get a bit, more people start coming in the chat. So for those that don't actually know me, my name's Cam. You've probably seen me on Funder Pro socials. I trade futures, man. I trade futures. It's all I trade. And I trade Funder Pro Futures. Today we're going to look in NQ. We're going to see if NQ is providing any setups. I might see something, but we'll get into it a bit later. I'm currently on a fresh 200k funded account. So hopefully the rest of this month, going into next month, we can focus on building towards getting a payout, all done live on stream. So with that being said, I'm going to start a little quick breakdown analysis soon for all of you guys watching, and this is going to be the journey of us becoming best friends day by day. So let me just double check that everything is good. Let me double check. So we've got Sorbet in the chat. He's been on my streams for the last 2 weeks. Super cool to have him here. We got Felice, really good friend of mine. We love you too, bro. We love you so much. I think I love you the most. I won't even lie. We have, what did this guy say? They said the futures chart is more accurate than the CFD. Yeah, so bro, futures, I used to trade CFDs, right? I love CFDs. I think CFDs, are still a great product to be trading. Me personally, because I'm a scalper, I like to get in and out. Futures does work really, really well for me, all right? And the reason I say this is because there's no spread on futures. So once you enter a position, which hopefully we get an entry today together, you will see how price doesn't put you in drawdown, right? It'll automatically put you in profit. So if you open at, for example, price 100, just for example, you will be open there. You won't be slipped with a little bit of spread. On top of that, it's just, for me personally, I find it a lot smoother. I trade better on futures. Ever since I moved to futures, payouts have been really consistent for me. I do fiddle with CFDs now and then, but mainly futures. Acam, your Safa boy, run. we got Vista Forex. Oh, this is Ruan, guys. Ruan's a Safa, South African, all the way from Africa, baby. Lovely to see you here. Lovely to see you here. Okay, cool. So guys, let's quickly talk NQ. I just want to get the boring stuff past, and then we can get into, you know, the good stuff. NQ, for those that obviously don't know futures, right? Because I've got a feeling a lot of the viewers that are going to be coming on here are CFD traders. NQ is Nasdaq, right? I only primarily focus on Nasdaq. Reason being, it just works for me. Sometimes I dabble with gold, but it is quite rare I touch gold. Gold is like my enemy. It's taken too much money from me. So I just stick to NQ. It just works best for me. So yeah, let's do a quick little breakdown, guys. So let me quickly just put this there. Cool. So how I start analysis breakdown on NQ, right? I will always start on a daily time frame, just see where the daily is at, and I immediately will drop to the 4 hourly and 1 hourly. Depending on those two candles, I will then automatically drop into the 5 minute, where I start looking for entries. My entry system is completely based off an EMA. Okay, I take all my trades based off EMAs. Reason being is because EMA puts you in with the trend, right? I feel like, you know, a lot of traders do say this: the trend is your friend. This is very, 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 very true. The trend is your friend, and I've made a lot of money trading futures just by following the trend. So that's how I, you know, approach futures. I just try to get in with the trend, and I usually capitalize a lot that way. Okay, cool. So before I do breakdown, guys, we have a lot of time here. I'm going to be with you guys for 2 hours today. 2 hours, and then I think after me, you guys have another New York stream that you can kind of go into from my stream. So let's quickly, before we start, just check the chat. What's happening? We got honest conversation of futures to be non-future trade. Wow, Barry, this is the first honest conversation about futures to the non-futures traders. What's up, DK? Yeah, man, futures. I think there's a lot of new people coming into futures trading, like for sure. So there's a big transition happening right now. I've seen. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into NQ. So let's just have a quick little look what the daily is doing, and then we will kind of drop into the 5 minute, and we can talk about what I'll be looking for if I'm going to be looking to enter, right? Daily time frame. So as we can see, guys, right off the bat, sorry if I keep looking at I've got a little puppy I'm just having to look after right now. So right off the bat, okay, we can see that NQ, it has been running to the moon. It's been running to the moon. You know, there's just no doubt about it. We can see it straight in front of our eyes. For the last 2 weeks, we haven't stopped rallying to the highs. We're at all-time highs now. Are we going to keep going higher? Probably, right? I don't see NQ having a big pullback just yet. So in the scenario when NQ is running to the highs, I'm just going to be looking for buys the whole way until we have a confirmation telling me that NQ is going to start reversing. Now, in order for me to have a confirmation that NQ is going to really start reversing, I need to see a really big pullback. And when that happens, I will then switch my buys. But right now, I'm only looking for longs on NQ. I'm going to dive slowly into the lower time frames, and it'll determine what I'm looking for intraday. But long term, buys. All right. Okay, cool. So let's just go to the current day, right? So current days that we're looking at. So today we're having a pullback. Price opened. All right. Let me just get this clearly so you guys can see. Okay, cool. So today NQ opened and we've immediately sold off, right? We have a very, very small top wick to that daily candle, and we've then decided just to sell off, okay? I do still think we are going to create that top wick today, okay? How I like to see candles, guys, when a candle opens, it's going, like if a candle opens, right, let's just put it this way. If a candle opens and it wants to trade higher, it will always put in a bottom wick first, and then that will flip to then trade higher to create that top wick, right? a top wick, a top wick cannot be made, right? And okay, that's actually a big lie. I'm lying here. I'm lying. I don't want to lie to you guys. Just to simplify it, if I want to see a candle go long and go bullish, I want to see a bottom wick being put in first, and then I want to see that candle start flipping to go bullish, right? So if we look at today's candle, we've had the pullback, and now we're having a slight little bounce. So this might just be a pullback to now then go long, okay? If we look at yesterday's candle, a big fat green candle, right? This is the big fat green candle. And we can see that it broke structure to the left. This candle completely engulfed the last 3 days, right? It just took out all of those highs and closed above. Now what's that telling me? We want to go up. We want to go up, right? We want to go up. That's why I'm looking at buys today, right? Let's see. We're also trading above my EMA, right? Price is above it. I don't want to really be selling it. Like I said, I can be wrong. I'm just a trader coming into this market, doing my analysis and going with what I see. But we can definitely have a pullback into this EMA, and then price can decide to then take off from there. But right now, I'm just focusing on where price is right now. All right. So cool. Off the bat, I can see the daily's pulling back. Right. Cool. Let me jump to that 4 hourly. This is where things are getting juicy, because now I can really start, understanding what price might and could be about to do. Okay, on the daily time, on the 4 hourly time frame, notice how we've been pulling back on the 4 hourly all day long. Okay, we're having big wick rejections as well on each of these hourly candles. The 4 hourly is coming into that EMA and it's rejecting. The next one comes into that EMA, rejects, comes in, and that's what's been happening, right? Okay, the new 4 hourly has just opened up, but something that I'm paying attention to, right, is that price is kind of chopping sideways now, almost creating a triangle like pattern, right? What happens in this scenario is that what I've realized a lot, just with experience, and maybe some of you guys are pattern traders, I'm not really, but with the triangle patterns, when price usually breaks out, it does usually just decide to take off like a NASA rocket. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna watch what it does now. This 4 hourly has opened up. It is coming into an area over here, right? I'm just going to draw this on. It is coming into this area over here where we can see price is getting heavily respected. So maybe price holds above this level, holds above this area, and then it can look to start going higher. Now, bear in mind, this is the 4 hourly time frame, right? So if I was to look to take a buy, let's just for example say in this area to go long, back up into all-time highs, that would be a really big move. So I have a lot of time. I don't need to rush getting in this right now, because from here to here, from current price to the highs, that is a really big move. So even if I don't catch it right now, it's cool. I'm just gonna be patient. I really want to see price telling me, Cam, price is going to the moon, right? I want to see that in order for me to get in. Okay, so cool. Looking now, let's just get back to the 4 hourly candle. Right now, we're in an area where price is kind of slowing down. Price is deciding what it wants to do, right? And we are in the middle of this EMA right now, which is kind of telling me right now, Cam, just hold back a second. Let's just wait, right, for something more clearer. Now, the juicy part for me comes to the hourly time frame, right? The hourly is where I start doing my analysis, right? I don't do analysis on the 4 hourly and daily. I just get the rough idea of what price is currently doing. Hourly, okay, this is the juice that I teach. Okay, key levels, guys. Levels is what is going to completely change your game. I'm going to go into this a lot more deeper in the next stream, but throughout the next streams. But levels is where I can determine where price might be going to and going from. Okay, now a level can be a support and resistance. It can be whatever it wants. But for me personally, I like to mark my levels off with bodies of the hourly. So basically, for me personally, I would put a level on over here. This would be a really good level for me. Okay, and we can see price is holding this area really well. So I'd have this on as a level. I'm not going to get too much in depth with this now. I think we're going to dedicate a live stream to why I use these areas as levels. But right now, that's my level. We can see price pull back into my level. And now we are currently... Guys. So let me just check. Guys. So let me just check. Is everyone there? Sorry, man. That big apologies about that. My toe pulled the bloody charger out. Let me just double check everyone is here before we carry on. Okay, cool. Yeah. So let's get back to it, guys. Let's get back to it. So yeah, price has pulled back into one of my levels right now. Okay. So what I would like to see is for this level to hold, which it is. If this hourly candle starts to flip bullish, I will now look to maybe start longing the minute we get above this EMA. Okay. If we get above this EMA, this is going to tell me that price might start to go higher again, and watch that daily candle, as I previously spoke about, start to flip to go bullish. Yo, guys, I love Red Bull. Who likes Red Bull? I'm a fan of Red Bull. It's so bad. It's so I need to stop that, actually. So, hourly, cool. So I've got this level on. I'm watching price, really respect this level, and now I'm going to put a level on over here, right? This is also another level I would like to put on. Reason being is because if we look to the left, we can see price holds this level. We have a nice respect over here, We've come back up into this level, and price really had a nice sell from there. That's the level I'm going to use. So, with that being said, now it's just me dropping to the 5 minute, and I'm just going to watch how price is going to react from this low to this high inside of this range, knowing I've got a level there and a level here. If we get above this level, I'm going to probably target all-time highs. Yeah, give me a moment, guys. Just give me a moment. Oh, my dog just took a pee on the mat. Damn it, man. Puppies, bro, puppies. So, yeah, this hourly is ready created bottom. We can be flipping, right? So I'm gonna kind of just go chill out on the 5 minute now. And the 5 minute guy, ooh, I'm really liking what I'm seeing, right? Okay, 5 minutes. See, notice how we have a 5 minute closure back above that EMA. I won't lie, guys. This might be a buy for me. I'm not gonna lie. This is my setup. So I'm gonna
order fill.
All right, I've taken a buy. I'll tell you why right now. I almost missed that entry. The fact price has gone and closed back above my EMA, that for me right now is is my entry. So I'll wait for price on a 5 minute to get back above my EMA. The minute I get that closure above my EMA, that's my entry to then start getting in that trend. I'm going to put my stop loss. I usually put it below my EMA, guys. I usually put it below my EMA. I don't want to see price get back below that. I want to see it hold above it. And then target wise, I'll probably target this level up there, which will give me like 1,500 if we can make it that high. So yeah, let's just see, guys. It's a very small risk. Nothing too crazy. I'm willing to take this trade live with you guys right now and see if it wants to play out the way I hope it's gonna. Yeah, Sorbet, brother. Trend, brother. Trend is a friend, bro. Trend is your friend, bro. So, see, there you go. We're getting a nice little push already. Yeah, Let me just check the chat quickly to see what's going on. What's going on? Who in this chat, guys, trades Thunder Pro? Like, who actually has traded futures before? I know some. I've seen some guys in this chat already that I know are CFD traders. I see that some are CFD traders. Yeah. We're getting the push, guys. We are getting the push I was looking for. We are getting the push I was looking for. There you go. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go then. Let's go then. Let's go then. Oh, so guys, we have a new trade in the chat. Frick is your name? Frick. Hi man, how you doing? I'm new to trading, but I'm currently paper trading. Lovely, bro. It's always nice to see new traders come in. Yeah, bro, paper trading, it's always a nice way to start. Paper trading is always a nice way to start, especially when learning. Especially when learning, guys. Paper trading is a great way to start trading. Maybe learning a strategy, just getting comfortable how the market moves. Paper trading is really nice to start out. But if I'm going to be honest with you, bro, don't paper trade for too long. Personally, I wouldn't be trading on paper trading just for too long. It's good to get yourself in a real trading environment where that's where you can start focusing on your psychology and your emotions when it comes to opening and closing trades. The reason I say this, right, and this is very important, I feel like I'm just one of the millions of traders that say it, but guys, psychology is crucial. Like, it is. Some people say, oh, it's like 80% trading. It's not. Psychology is 99% trade. But right, like, psychology is the most important thing. Like, technical analysis is just that 1% that you need to then focus on. That's the easy part. You can learn that in like 1 week. It's just the psychology, because psychology drives your technical analysis, right? It drives you to becoming profitable. It drives you to creating your strategy to have a good win rate. So yeah, get yourself on a real account, on a challenge account or whatever sooner than later. I personally, that's my opinion though. But you do you, bro. You do you, and if you want some more time on paper trading, you go for it, bro. You go for it. Hey Nifa, nice to meet you. There's not many women female traders in the space, so it's always nice to meet some of you guys. It's always nice to meet some of you guys. I'm trading NQ today, Frick. Today I'm trading NQ. I just trade NQ. It's the only thing I trade. NQ's Nasdaq. I just trade Nasdaq. The reason being, it just works for me. It works on my strategy. I don't know. I know how it moves, like, and I know when it moves. I can be wrong sometimes, but you know, I'm just a trader. I'm just started paper trading on April 20th. Nice, another paper trader, another one. Yeah, nice guys, nice. The trade's looking good. The trade is looking good. Price is holding this EMA. Hopefully we are going to get this flip of this hourly. Let's see guys, we are looking good. We're already up $230 on the new funded account. I just started paper trading. And also your socials. There we go, guys. We're getting the push, man. We are getting the push. Simple. Top-down analysis. Start on the daily. Go to the 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 5 minute execute. Simple. You've got to keep trading simple, man. We need to keep it very simple. It's very important to keep trading simple. Keeping trading simple is what's going to drive you to becoming profitable. I swear to you right now. I promise you guys. Don't overcomplicate. Don't overcomplicate trading. Sarvesh, we have 7 days winning streak, you know. Yeah, guys, I've been streaming on Kick recently, actually, and we went on a 7-day winning streak. 7-day winning streak. We've been winning. Although yesterday we lost, we broke the streak. We took 1 loss, but we had a 7-day winning streak, and now we need to start that winning streak again. Oh, guys, almost at $500 on NQ. Damn, 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 damn. This is the daily show for you, man. Come on here. Become best friends. All of us are going to become besties. Oh, there we go. We're getting the nice push, guys. We are getting the nice push. I'm not going to go break even just yet. I'm going to wait a bit more for price to you know, get a bit more higher if it does, and then I'll look to go break even. The reason I don't want to go break even is because we can very well have a candle pull back to retest its EMA and then go back higher. I don't want to see that just yet. I don't want to get tapped out. I don't want to get tapped out. Going back, I'm just reading the messages again. Going back to the new paper traders. It's something about futures, guys, that's really, really cool. It's a lot more affordable to get into. So like if you want to get onto a challenge account, you can get like a 50k and it will be like, oh guys, I'm sorry, I'm getting so distracted. This trade is looking so good, baby. What a trade for the first stream, no? What a trade for the first stream, bro. This is an 8-day winning streak coming, Sarvesh, bro. 8-day winning streak, buddy. 8-day winning streak, bro. Wow. 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 What the hell? Guys, what a trade, bro. We up $1,000 on the account. What a... What a trade, man. What a trade, bro. First stream of the daily show. Day one. Day one. And here we are, guys. Here we are. About to hit TP in one. I'm telling you, I am the GOAT of NQ, bro. I'm the GOAT of this. You guys are going to learn so much from me. You are going to learn so much from me if you're here every single day. This is going to become like a live mentorship. I swear to God. I'm going to teach you my strategy in and out. Today's just a bit of the taste. It's a bit of the teaser. Bit of the teaser. Yo guys, Sarvesh in the chat just made $330 live. Absolutely amazing, bro. Keep that up, bro. Well done, well done. So nice, man. So bloody nice. Yo, hello. Love. I love you too, man. I love you too, bro. Don't know who you are, but I love you. I love you for being on stream with me and spending your time with me. I just love you, man. I don't say I love you to many people, so you are special for that one. And one thing, guys, if you want to know how to become profitable a lot quicker, if you eat these, right? So this is Skittles. If you eat the strawberry Skittles, right, the red ones, that helps profitability, right? But if you eat the yellow ones, you're gonna struggle to become profitable. Whoever eats yellow Skittles has a real has a real problem. It's horrible. It tastes like soap. Don't even know why they put that in the bag. My name is Abdul. Sorry, bro. I'm gonna struggle to pronounce your name. But you're from Djibouti. Nice, bro. Djibouti. Djibouti's in Africa. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm from South Africa, bro. So we might be coming from the same continent. Djibouti. That does sound like an African continent. That does sound like an African continent. Greetings from Nigeria. What's up, Samuel? How's it going, my brother? How is it going? Nice to have you here. I want to have funded account. I'm ready, bro. Bro, I'm telling you right now, if you're on stream with me every day, we'll help get you funded. I'm going to start talking deep about strategy and deep about psychology. It's going to almost become a free mentorship, bro. Like, I'm here to do it live for all of you. Yeah, East Africa, I thought so. Okay, NQ is having a big fat pullback right now. This is why I said I don't want to go break even just yet. I am confident we are still going to go up. My trade is still very valid. We broke structure to the left. Price has got a lot of buying momentum. This is just probably most likely a pullback to then go higher. So I'm just going to let this one just play out a bit. East Africa, doing good. Nice, bro. Nice. It's lovely to have all of you on, man. It's lovely to have all of you on. Yo guys, Learner VJ's come back into the chat. Guys, read my comments above. What? Read my comment above. Sorry, bro. Sending a lot of love to your family member. Sending a lot of love to your family member, bro. Never nice to have something like that happen. Yeah, this is definitely the best time to take a break from trading and spend it with your family, for sure. Stops below that bull candle. Not just yet, bro. Not just yet. For me, guys, if I set a stop loss, I'm just gonna just kind of leave it until, you know, something tells me to move it. But right now, see, price is coming back into my EMA right now. Okay, as expected. Like, I just want to let price, it might just consolidate a bit and then go back up again. I'm just gonna let price just do its thing right now, guys. I'm just gonna let it do its thing right now. If I go on the 15 minutes, what do we have on the 15? So yeah, 15 minute is looking good as well, guys. In 4 minutes, the 15 is going to close, right? If the 15 closes bullish, I can see price pushing back to the highs again. So I'm just going to let this one run. We are going to close back inside of that EMA. Let's go back to the 5 minute, guys. Let's go back to that 5. Sweet. Having a funded account could really change my life. I have working income of $50 every month, so yeah, I'll keep following you. Yeah, bro, just follow me. Watch every day as much as you can around, you know, your day-to-day life. And yeah, I'm gonna be trying to put out as much knowledge out there as possible when it comes to building a strategy that's super simple and psychology, bro. So yeah, hang around, man. Sammy Labina, yo. Hey mate, what strategy do you use? Do you use volume or any order flow? I don't do order flow. I don't do that. Volume, it depends. I use volume in candles, bro. So like, for example, if I can see a candle close that's very, very bullish, I will then, you know, look to probably buy that next candle, just because previous candle did have a lot of volume in it. But we're gonna get more into that type of stuff. I use the EMA I use is EMA 9. I use the EMA 9. Okay, it's so powerful, guys. It is so powerful if you know how to use it correctly, right? It does look really choppy sometimes, but yeah. If we use it correctly. But I'm gonna go into how I use it in the next couple streams for sure. You're looking for Asia high to sweep and break them, bro. I don't trade session highs and lows. So no, I'm not looking for Asia high sweep. I am looking for, yeah, price can very well go sweep Asia high, but I'm not targeting Asia high to be swept. I'm targeting a key level of mine, which might be sitting at Asia high. Yo, we were up $1,000. Now we're down back to 200, man. But it's cool. It's cool. We sit strong. We hang in tight. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can get a nice reaction off this EMA. I want to see price really start pushing off here now. We need to carry on this 8-day winning streak, bro. We need to carry it on. Give me a moment, guys. I'm just gonna go get my dog quick. She's a baby. I need to watch her like a child. Hold on. We are back, we are back, we are back. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go, my bro. Price is pumping now. Okay, so... what's that noise? Oh, that's the door. I was like, what the hell? There's a trumpet blowing on in my back door. Oh, that sounded so wrong. Oh my god, oh my god, that sounded so wrong. My door was moving and it was... oh my god, okay, let's just forget about that. Alright, let's just forget about that. So yeah, price is now bumping. What am I saying, bro? Too much Red Bull. Price is reacting off my EMA now. Let's just see if we can continue that momentum. Price wants to get back to the high again. Let's see, let's see. FXD Academy. I have strategy 1, draw on liquidity on the high time frame 2, go look at lower time frame for break and structure. We're targeted. Bro, I'll be honest with you, bro. That just sounds way too complicated, bro. I won't even lie. That sounds, I don't understand, bro. I don't trade fair value gap. I don't trade breaker block. I don't trade that. I keep stuff simple, bro. I just trade key level and EMA. And I do really, 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 really well with it. I actually received a $4,000 payout 2 days ago, live on stream. But if it works for you, great, bro. Keep sticking to that strategy if it works for you, 100%. I think everybody sees things differently when it comes to trading. For sure. Is this 15 quantity NQ? Yeah, it is 15 MNQ. So I have 15 micros, bro. No. If this was 15 NQ, like 15 full contracts, minis, that would be another story, bro. I would be probably already up like $10,000 or something crazy. Haha, yeah, guys, what I said, let's just pretend I never said that. Jeez, that was bad, bro. Didn't even think what I was saying. Yeah, what do you want, guys? You want to meet my dog? I don't know if any of you have met my dog. So this is my sausage dog. She's the co-host. Her name is Bailey, and she's very, very, very flippin' naughty. And she loves when I get payouts, because every time I get a payout, I go buy her a toy from the shop. Hey, say hello to your friends. Say hello to your friends. So that's Bailey, guys. She's just a baby, 3 months old. Let me go back to that 15 minute. Let me see what's going on that 15, guys. Okay, so looking at the 15. Yeah, looking at this 15, right? So the 15 that just closed previously did close above my EMA, which is kind of, I'm gonna keep this trade running, guys. I'm gonna keep it running. I'm not gonna close it. I'm either gonna let this run to hit my stop, or I'm just gonna get TP. I'm not touching my stop loss or my take profit. I'm either gonna win and get that winning streak to carry on, or we are going to lose. But let's see. Let's see. Bailey, Frick said hello, my girl. Yes, he said hello. He said hello. How long have you guys been trading for? Put in the chat. How long have you been trading for, guys? How many years? How many months? How many days? Have any of you received payouts yet? Come on, let's see what this 2 years of losing money. Felix. We got 2 years of losing money, 3 years still not payouts. Yeah, that's normal, guys. That's so normal. I lost money for probably 3 years. I was losing money, couldn't get a payout, blowing account after account, blowing personal accounts. Trust me, I've been there. I have been there. This is my second year, no payout. Let me tell you right now that from the first 2 to 3 years, right, is going to be a bit brutal. You know, it's going to be tough. You're going to kind of be so close to getting those payouts. You're going to be so close to becoming consistent. But the minute like that 3rd year finishes going to the 4th, that's when the consistency starts coming. That was me personally. I think there are traders that have something in them, like they have like this glitter running through their veins that is like, you know what, we're gonna make you profitable in 6 months. I've seen it. Trust me, I've seen it. Those guys are a different breed for sure, man, for sure. So there you go. There we have the nice What am I saying? There we have the nice reaction of the EMA. There we have the reaction of the EMA, guys. Simple. Simple strategy. We need to just follow direction. Follow what the market's telling me to do. And I just follow it, man. I just follow it. If you guys haven't already, please drop a like for me. Drop a like for me. Come on. Do it for me. And I'm going to start dropping really secret gems when it comes to trading. If you guys can start dropping some likes on this stream for me. Show some love and I'll give you love back. We can have this really special relationship together. You give me love, I'll give you love. I reached my account but didn't get a payout. I was almost... Yeah, that is very normal. Do you know how many times I've been like literally this close to a payout? I'm talking like $50 away. I swear. And the next thing, boom! Boom! Gone. Finished. Out of the window. And it eats me up in the insider. It eats me up, and then I'm like, I'm gonna quit trading. And then I come back the next day, buy a brand new valuation. And I'm like, let's start again. When it comes to blowing accounts, guys, when it comes to, you know, losing money in trading, the best advice I can give is don't let that sit with you. You need to say to yourself, okay, cool, I won't make this mistake again. And you need to take that information and you need to throw that shit out of the window. Like, throw that away, man. We can't sit with that stuff. We can't sit with it. It's so toxic. It's going to affect your next trade, especially when you take your motions from your previous blown account into your new... Don't. If you blow accounts, move on. Get a new account, man. Just get a new account, move on, and start the new account as if you didn't even lose the last account. Like, that's it, man. That's it. Yo, FXD Academy, $50, bro. Let me tell you something right now, bro. Oh, guys, we're getting a really nice reaction. Check our prices. This is why I said I don't want to go break even. If I went break even, guys, I would have probably almost got taken out of that trade. You need to trust your analysis. Confidence is key in trading, man. Like I've said, let me say this again. But let me first eat a Skittle, guys. Let me first eat a Skittle. We want the red ones. The red ones are the best ones, right? Okay. Confidence is what's going to get you to becoming profitable. Keeping your trading simple as. Just keep it simple, bro. Keep that stuff simple, man. Alright? And eat Skittles. And then, yeah. There was once a time, bro, I was one day away from withdrawing a $10,000 payout. Oh, this wasn't even so long ago. This was in November last year. I'm not proud of it, but I'm man enough to say it, right? I was one day away from a $10,000 payout. And then, yeah, I went on tilt on my last day. I just couldn't accept the loss. I wanted the payout really bad. And boom! Gone. $50 away from a $10,000 payout. $50 away from a $10,000 payout, and I blew it. This was last year, November. But it's trading, you know, we need to just move on. Just move on, man. Give me the red one. You want the red Skittle, bro? For sure. Like, I can give you a Skittle. I can give you a Skittle. Bro, let me tell you something. David, that ate me right up, bro. I was so emotionally affected by that, and it was crazy because I mean it wasn't so long ago, bro. I went outside and I smoked a cigarette, bro, like just to calm me. And I don't even smoke, bro. I was like, you know what, I'm having a cigarette, bro. I was like, what did I just do? Because I knew what I did was just so stupid. Oh, guys. Okay, now I'm going break even, guys. I'm going break even on my trade now. Why? Because You know what? Give me a W, man. This is a super clean trade for my first trade of stream, bro. Don't you think, huh? Don't you think? Guys, tomorrow I'm starting a strategy breakdown. We're going to start talking strategy. I'm going to start giving you guys a live mentorship live while trading. So we're going to learn, we're going to earn money while we're learning together. I'm going to teach you exactly what I do here, because I feel like there's a lot of you that need to simplify your trading. I think that a lot of you need some support, need some help. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe not all of you, but some of you. I'm happy to be here and mentor you. Guys, what a trade, what a trade. This interesting how trading. David said, it's interesting how similar we all are in trading. Incredible, the emotions, same mistakes, crazy. Yeah, bro. Let me tell you right now that I'm profitable. I'm consistent, I get payouts, but I'm still a human. I still make really, really big mistakes. I can still go on tilt. I can still lose everything in like one trade, bro. Like in one trading session, like I can. But what keeps me in the game is just managing that part in my brain that stops me from losing it all, you know? Like all these really successful traders that you see on social media, bro, let me tell you right now, they're just like us, they're just like you. There's no difference. The only difference between them and you is that they've got more experience, you know? They've been doing this for a long time and they know exactly how to handle their emotions when it comes to managing their trades, etc., you know? But those guys can still lose. I'm telling you, they still lose. The best thing in a pro account or funded account is to trade micro and do not oversize. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna, yeah, so you're right. You are right on that comment. I do think it depends on the trader for sure. You know, I think it depends on how big your account size is. Are you willing to lose your account, right, quicker? Or are you wanting to slowly grow your account consistently? If you're wanting to slowly grow it consistently, day by day, taking base it by base it, making $100, $200 a day, absolutely. Keep size small. Keep size small. But if you want to make big money quicker, you are going to have to put more risk on the table. You're going to have to use more contracts. But that comes with a con, and the con is that you are going to most likely blow up your accounts like very quickly that way. Unless you just get super, super lucky on a winning streak, you know. When was it, guys? Oh, this trade's looking so nice. What a trade, man. We are currently running $1,200 up. Yo! First trade on stream! First trade on stream! The daily show is cooking! We are cooking, guys! What a trade! What a trade, bro! What a trade! Why did I win this trade? Because I had a red Skittle. The yellow ones are poisonous, bro. I think I ate all the red. Oh, there we go. There's a red. What a trade. I think I've managed risk really well on the setup. I've gone in with 15 micros. I risked $500. We're floating 1,200 right now. This is a fantastic start to the funded account. So if we can continue this momentum throughout the next few weeks, I'm going to take a payout live in front of you with the profits we've made. What a trade, man. What a trade. Interesting. The best thing in a pro, crazy trade, bro. I appreciate it, Sarvesh. Sarvesh, did you take the trade with me, brother? Beautiful, great job. What's in your make level? Okay, so let me just make this very, very, very clear. My EMA, but we're going to get into EMA. Tomorrow I'm going to give an EMA lesson of how to use an EMA correctly. People don't know how to use the EMA correctly. So tomorrow I'm giving you guys a live lesson on how to trade an EMA. So if you want to know the EMA I'm using, you need to come in tomorrow. I've said it once in the beginning of the stream, so you're gonna have to kind of go back to find it. But tomorrow I'm giving a live lesson of EMA and how I use it and which EMA I'm using. If an EMA is used correctly, you can make a lot of money. Okay. Look how accurate it was today for me in this trade. You guys saw me take the trade from the get-go. I said, price closed back inside my EMA, I'm gonna buy. And what happened? Look at price now. I'm gonna teach you how to trade EMA, guys, tomorrow. That's gonna be tomorrow's stream, EMA lesson. And then on Monday, we're gonna talk about my key level. My key level, bro, it's been marked off on the hourly time frame, okay? I'm targeting the all-time highs again. The reason that was my theory of taking this long. Wow, chat's going off. What are we saying here? Yeah, I've taken the trade. Nice, brother. Nice, Sorbet. Yeah, EMA is an indicator. It indicates you where price is going to. I think it just indicates the trend. You know, it indicates the trend. Giveaway. I'm gonna need to try sort something out for you guys for a giveaway. Maybe next week. Next week, maybe we can do some future giveaways. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm sure I can maybe make something happen. I need to say, pretty please, Funder Pro. Can I give away some accounts to my friends on the stream? Please. Please, guys. Maybe I must write them a little love letter or something, you know. W of a trade, guys. What a trade, bro. What a trade. I swear we're going to hit TP in front of you right now. And the guys that took this trade, big congrats to you, man. Honestly, well done for trusting me in this long, and you've gone in and taken this with me. Nice. You can enjoy the rest of your day now, and you don't have to touch the charts again. So, day one of the winning streak. We were on a 7-day winning streak last week for the new guys. We were on a 7-day winning streak, and I took a loss yesterday and we broke it. So now we're starting the winning streak again. Today is day one of the winning streak. So let's see what we can pull off together. Let's see what we can pull off together. Below the EMA is sell site. Above EMA is buy site. Yes? Am I wrong? I took this trade. Thank you. What's your name? Oh, FXD Academy. Bro, yes and no. You don't buy when it's above, and you don't sell when it's below, right? Because the thing is that, for example, let's just look over here, right? Notice how we are below it over here. You would have been selling, and price would have stopped you out, right? There's a certain way to use this EMA, and if you know how to use it correctly, you can make a lot of money, okay? Yes, theoretically, if price is above the EMA, you can look for buys, right? Yes, that is a way in using it, but there's something that I need to show you guys tomorrow on stream. Well done, Nifa. Congrats. Congrats. Abdul. I'm gonna try to remember your name, bro. I'm gonna try to remember your name. I can't make promises though, but I'll try. I'll try. I'll try. There we go. Come on, let's just hit this fucking TP live, man. I want to get out of this trade. We've been holding it for a while now. We've been holding it. How long has the stream been running for? An hour. We've been holding this trade almost for an hour. Come on, come on. Okay, guys, put in the chat. Are we going to hit TP? Are we going to hit TP? Sorbet, TP's waiting, brother. TP is... Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Let's eat some Skittles. Let's go, let's go! Oh, I hate the yellow ones. Oh, horrible. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Let's go, my baby. Guys, I'm at $1,400. You know what, guys? You know what? Alright, guys, I'm closing. I'm closing. Why? Because I'm up $1,300.
Order fill.
Who's the man? I'm the man. Who's the man? I'm the man. Woo! Guys, I just made $1,200 live in front of you. TP is probably going to get hit, but you know what? Do you know how many times I've seen price like literally be like a millimeter away and then it just reverses on me? So you know what? I'm taking my money. Take money when you see money. My name is Cameron the Winner. Cameron the Winner. Okay, my name's Cam, bro. Call me Cam, Cameron, Cam, Sorbet, whatever, bro. Call me whatever you want, bro. Call me daddy. No, I'm joking. I'm really joking. I'm sorry. That's a joke. That's a joke. Cam. Call me Cam. Yo. Okay, sweet. What a trade, man. What a freaking trade. Yeah, bro. I mean, if you want to call me daddy, you can. No. If one of you ever call me daddy, that will be, I'll have to stop the stream immediately. The French accent. There's no ways I have a French accent, bro. There's no ways I have a French accent. There's no ways. There is no ways I have a French accent. I'm from South Africa. I'm an African boy. I'm from deep in Africa. I'm from the southernest part of Africa. My fiance, she's French. I mean, maybe I've been living in France so long, I've got a bit of a French accent, but I don't know. When the French speaking, they go at the end of every sentence. Oh, I went to the shops. Oh, you want a croissant? I don't know why they got in, like, it's just they got like a frog in their throat or something, bro. I don't know. But I love the French. I love French people, bro. My fiance is French, from Paris. I go to Paris a lot, by the way. Paris is beautiful. Yeah, bro. We're probably gonna hit TP, but you know what? $1,200. It's a great start to the brand new fresh funded account. You know what? Let's just take slow. Let's not go for home runs. You know, $1,000 is a great day, bro. On the funded. That's just a little piece towards my next payout. I can speak a little bit Afrikaans, bro. I can speak a little bit Afrikaans, but please don't ask me. Please, please, please. I dropped out school when I was like, how old was I? I was like 16 years old when I dropped out school, and I was so bad at Afrikaans, bro. Like, I was so bad, bro. I do think we have an Afrikaanser in the chat. Ruan. I think Ruan is still in the chat. I'm not too sure if he's still in the chat, but he's here. He's Afrikaans. I think Ruan is a very Afrikaans name. So I think he might be Afrikaans. I speak English, bro. Like, I speak English. English is like my main language. How about you guys? Where are you all from? So I know we have Abdul from Djibouti. Correct me if I'm wrong. If I got that wrong, that's amazing. I'm honestly proud of myself. So we got Abdul from Djibouti. We got Sarvesh from India. We have, who else is in there? We have, I don't know if Felix is still in the chat, but he's from Italy. We have, oh, I don't even know where some of you guys are from. I'm scrolling up the chat now. I'm from South Africa. This is like a real international stream happening. Yo guys, look at the volume that just came in on NQ. And do you see how close it was from hitting that? This is why I closed, guys. Look why I closed the trade, right? I closed the trade because look how close it was from my level, and price just decided to sell off quick. That's why I got out, because this is trading. Take money when you see money. I'm not willing to risk that little bit. Like, I'll just take it. Oh, Nifa, you have no idea. Coming to Florida is my dream, and I'll tell you why. I'm really thinking of coming to Florida next year. I love largemouth bass fishing, and I know Florida is one of the best places in the world for that. I really want to come fishing in Florida. Honestly, I'm a very outdoorsy person. I love outdoors. I love fishing. I love snowboarding. It's what I do. It's what I do. For all of the guys that want to look into trading futures with me on stream, if you want to earn while you're learning, there's a link, guys, in the description of the stream. In the bio, you'll see, just click that link and it'll take you up to Funded Pro Futures, and you can sign up and you can actually start purchasing your first Funded Pro Futures account. If you want to get into futures trading, you've seen the power of futures, guys, in just today's trade. How simple it is. In and out, in and out. And yeah, tomorrow we're going to start talking strategy. We're going to start breaking down my strategy of how I trade exactly. Give you guys some really good, important, special information that you guys can use to start making a lot of money trading. And please like this stream, man. Drop a like for me, man. I want to see a nice like button being clicked right now. Yo, we have 21 likes already. I've just seen, guys, on the stream. I love you. I love you guys. 21 likes. I'll take that. I'll take that. I appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't liked the stream, guys, just drop a like. Let's at least get it to, let's see if we can get it to 30. 30 likes before the stream ends. 30 likes. Mm. 22, we're on 22 likes. Let's get it to 30. Let's get it to 30. Guys, we're going to be going live every single day at the same time, right? Every day. I'm going to put it out there. I'm going live on the Daily Show with you every single day at 5 a.m. EST time, New York time. If you are in Europe, it is 12 p.m., middle of the day, just before lunch. And now the reason why I trade this time, right? Let me tell you why I trade this time. Look at what the market gave me right now, right? A lot of people wait until New York session and London session to trade, or London session, New York session. But between those two sessions, right, there's a 4-hourly candle that opens up at 12, which is 5 a.m. New York. That 4-hourly candle usually has a lot of volume inside of it. And the reason, and here's a little gem I'm dropping. I'm going to drop a little secret for you guys, okay? Before I drop the secret, let me just capture that. Okay, cool. So the reason why I trade 5 a.m. EST New York time is because there's a volume injection that comes into that 4-hourly candle that usually drives price, all right? Backtest it. Trade it. You're going to notice every day we're going to come in at this time and we're going to trade the same time, and you're going to notice we're going to get a movement every single day. But the movement that we get, it's really clean, it's really smooth. There's no spike, there's nothing crazy. It's very consistent in what it does. Why? Because it's out of session, there's not so much volume in this current window that we're trading, right? So price just takes its time, and it gives a really nice momentum move. If you want to be trading safe, I'm not saying don't trade New York session or London session, because you can make really good money in those sessions. I trade New York sometimes, right? But if you really want a session that is not too crazy, yeah, come start trading the stream with me and you're going to start learning something. I just find it a lot safer. For the American people, the guy that's in Florida, bro, what's a girl? I can't remember, Nifa. I don't know how you are awake right now. You crazy. You crazy. Being awake right now in America, that's crazy. It's like 5 a.m. It's like 6 a.m., 5 a.m. for you. That's commitment. That's commitment. Sweep happening on the internal highs. Yeah, bro. If you talking, are you talking about? Are we talking about this high over here as an internal? I mean, I don't refer to internal highs, but is this the level you're talking about being swept? Yeah, a little sweep, a little grab of the highs and close back below. Yeah. Bro, there is no giveaway today. No. But there's a giveaway. You guys have a giveaway New York session with oh, I'm so bad with names. What's his name? What is his name? Rossi someone. Oh, Michel Rossi. He is giving away a 100k account, guys, on New York stream today. But it's a CFD account. Oh, so, Nifa, sorry, man. Ah, man. Sorry, miss. Sorry. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. It's just in my like vocabulary. It's probably because I can't see your face that I'm just saying bro. Like, I'm gonna try my best to call you something else. I'll just call you Nifa. Look how NQ is pulling back, guys. Do you see why I exited, right? Because this can happen. I've seen so many traders. It happened to me many times. You're so desperate for the last few points that price like will then just reverse on you, and then you lose all of that. Like, are you trading live now, bro? Yeah, I'm trading live. This is a live stream. I've already taken a trade. We are up $1,200. You can see above me in the little box. My daily P&L is 1,200. We took an amazing trade, bro. If you actually go back in the stream, you can watch it live. I'm really trying to learn to become profitable. Nifa, you will become profitable. Just be patient with yourself. Don't try too hard. Okay? That's some really good advice I can give you. Don't try too hard. Everyone's journey is different. Everyone takes time with trading differently. Don't put too much pressure. Just trade. Man. Just keep things simple, like I did today. Keep it as simple as you can, and just execute when your plan says so. And yeah, walk away the minute you've made some profits. My strategy. What is my strategy? My strategy is based off key levels and an EMA. That's my strategy. That is my strategy. I'm going to be doing strategy breakdown in the next stream. Throughout the next 5 streams, I'm going to start breaking down my strategy and exactly how I trade, so that you all are on the same page with me. I think it'll be really cool, you know, that having all of us together, you know, being on the same page, especially for the guys and girls in the chat that are wanting to learn a really simple, profitable strategy. This is the place to be, because I'm going to give you something that'll make you a lot of money. Just in the month of February alone, I generated over $100,000 in payouts. I swear to you not, you can look at my social media. $100,000 in payouts I withdrew in just the month of February alone, off multiple prop firms at the same time, based off the strategy that I'm using straight in front of you guys. It's extremely profitable, and it's extremely flippin' simple. So, with that being said, you don't want to be missing out on these streams, right? So subscribe, turn your notifications on for when I'm live, and yeah, just follow me on social media, and I'll be posting when I go live so you guys don't miss it. But yeah, we're going to start doing a live mentorship in front of you guys for absolutely free. I'm going to start teaching you guys exactly what I'm doing. I'm glad I got out the trade when you did it. Yeah, it's exactly nice. Well done for getting out the trade. You know, you didn't have to. You know, you could have stayed in, but you chose to get out, which when I did, which was honestly a really good call, I think. Also, I'm going to start showing you guys exit and when to exit, right? I think knowing when to take profit and when to exit your trade is very important. From experience, I understand that when price is coming into a level, usually it will pull back just before it hits it. That's why I got out, and it did that exact same thing. I'm glad I got out the trade when you did. I've been learning discipline. EMA and key levels is the easiest and most powerful strategy. Exactly. EMA and key level is the most powerful strategy that I think you can get. The reason being, and why I'm so proud to say this, is because it makes a lot of money, and it's super simple. EMA puts you in with the trend, and it tells you when to enter, and levels give you targets, where to buy and sell to and from. So if you got an EMA pushing into a key level, you can buy and go all the way up into the key level. What EMA count? We're going to talk about my EMA tomorrow. We're going to go deeply into my EMA and the count of my EMA. I'm not going to go over it now. That's for tomorrow's stream. We're going to keep some stuff for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow I'm giving the full strategy on EMA and how I use it and why I use it. And I'll give you some tips and tricks to it. It's not 200, it's not 63, and it's not 50. Yeah, cheers, Sarvesh. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining, brother. And I realize with trading, it's a lot of waiting. Yeah, trading is a lot of waiting. It's a lot of waiting. But it's cool. You know, waiting is cool because while you're waiting for trading, you can be doing something else you enjoy at the same time. You know? How can I address my psychological problem and become a successful trader? Okay, how about you do this? Tell me your issue that you're facing psychologically right now with trading. What's your issue? Address it to me, and I will see what I can do to try help you on that. I'll be completely honest, right? I'm not gonna bullshit you or I'll tell you the hard cold truth to what you're struggling with. So tell me what you're struggling with right now. Very simple to understand. Yep, very simple to understand. Tris 0481, bro, good morning to you, brother. Good morning to you. You've missed the trade. You've missed trade of the day, bro. We took a nice W together, but you can go back in the stream and watch it. I know exactly what I should do, but I always end up making the same mistakes. Was this the guy that... Okay, so Tommy, you know exactly what you should do. Alright, what are the mistakes that you're making, bro? Tell me your mistakes that you're making so I can try to help you. Like, I know my mistakes that I make. I know my mistakes I make. Let's go to the hourly. So now, guys, I'm going to go back to the hourly, see what the hourly is doing, okay? So look at the previous hour, right? Previous hour, guys. Previous hour. Just tell me, let me just make sure that you can see this. Okay. Previous hour, right? Notice how, right? So this was the candle that we caught, the buy, the flip of this candle. Why did we buy up into this level? As I mentioned before, we came into this level down here. We had a nice reaction of this level. So we took this hourly and we bought this hourly all the way back up into this level, right? Using the EMA on the 5 minute to buy that, okay? This hourly has just closed above that EMA. So depending on what this current hour is going to do, right? We are either going to, if we close back below this EMA, maybe we can see price come back down into this level, or if we can close back above that EMA, we might keep going higher, right? That's the 15 minute is telling us what? Okay, 15 minute. 15 minute is respecting EMA, right? We have not closed below it. So if this 15 that we're currently in right now can flip and turn bullish as it's doing, we might see price go back up into this level. We might see price go back up into this level. Am I going to trade it? No, I'm not going to trade it because I've already taken my win for the day. I don't want to risk my profits again, but that could be a trade, right? We are bullish on NQ right now on the 15 minute. Okay, the hourlies are bullish right now. Maybe we can get one more push into this level. Maybe. Let's see. So let's go back to the 5 minute. And just be patient. Let's see what the 5 minute is going to bring. If we can get a 5 minute and a nice engulfing closing back above the EMA, we can maybe look to take a long back up to this level. Maybe. I don't know if I'm going to take it though. Like, I don't think I'm going to, guys. I don't want to break my rules. I'm going to stay very, very disciplined here. Because this is a funded account. I really don't want to give my profits away. I want a nice payout. Leave the reality of strategy for a moment and dwell in the imagination of expectation. Bro, that is the deepest thing I've heard all week. Leave the reality of strategy for a moment and dwell in the imagination of expectation. I'm English, bro. I don't even understand what that means, bro. I love you, bro, but I don't know what that means, bro. That's a bit, yeah, that's very deep, and that makes my brain go like noodles. All right, we have a very confident person in chat. He thinks he has an idea of the EMA count, but he's gonna wait till tomorrow. Let's hear it. Let's hear it, bro. Let's hear it. I wanna know. I did say it in the beginning of this stream, so if you go back in stream, you'll hear it. I did say it, but then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stop saying it. Let me keep it for tomorrow. Look at it selling off. See, guys, we would have lost all of our profits if we kept that trade open. Would have lost our profits. But we closed. Why? Why did I close? Because experience. I've seen it happen so many times when price is like 1 point away from hitting it to take profit, and the next thing it just will reverse on you. And it did that exact same thing. Okay. We got someone confident in the chat. 9 or 10 EMA. Yeah. You're right, bro. It's one of those. It is one of those. I keep it for tomorrow, bro. Keep it for tomorrow, but you are right. It is one of those. Oh, Nifa, congrats. Well done, man. Well done for logging out. $500 for the day. Very nice. Very nice. Paper trade, whatever, doesn't matter. A win is a win. You learn something from that win. Congrats to you. How to enter the giveaway, bro? I'm not doing a giveaway. I'm not doing a giveaway. The giveaway is it's today. The giveaway is today on Michelle's stream, on the New York stream, guys. There's a giveaway. So if you come back on the New York stream, Funder Pro is giving away a 100k account, challenge account with CFDs. It's a CFD account. It's not a future account, huh? Just remember that. But it is on the next stream. It is on the next stream. If you guys are watching, you haven't already, drop a like, please. Drop a like for me. Show me some love, and I'll give you love back. Right? If you give me love, I'll give you love, like we're in some really special relationship together. The question is, who's coming back tomorrow for stream? Tomorrow's a big day stream. It's a Friday. I love ending the week with a win. Going into the weekend. I love ending the week with a win. So let's see if we can get a win tomorrow. And we're going to talk strategy. We're going to talk EMA. We're going to get deep into EMA. I'm going to start teaching my strategy to you guys. You're welcome, bro. Muhammad. You're welcome, Muhammad, bro. I love you so much, bro. I love you, bro. Let's see. Oh, whoa. Check at this. Look at what it's seen. Now there's a lot of volume coming in. Why? I wonder why. What was that? What was that? Lovely, lovely. Nifa, you are going to learn so much. You're going to learn so much being here on stream with me. Honestly, I'm not even just saying that. Okay, guys, watch our... Look at this 5 minute. That's crazy. Look how much volume's in this current 5 minute. The sun, let's try to step in. It looks like we're trying to get back above that EMA now, right? If we can close back above that EMA... Just for stream, I'm going to enter one micro. Just one micro for you guys. Nothing, just one. I'm going to like make maybe like $20. But I just want to take the trade just to, you know, see if it wants to go back up into my level. Been studying EMAs and structure for a while. A lot of hidden gems that make trading simplistically double and repeatable. Yeah. Bro, trading, oh man, EMAs, I'm gonna say it again, trading EMAs, trading structure, or key levels, whatever you wanna call it. I think that I'm gonna shock a lot of you guys on stream how simple trading can actually be. I think I'm gonna shock a lot of you that you've wasted a lot of time struggling with strategies like ICT, struggling with smart money concepts. Let me tell you right now, ICT guys, I'm going to say it loud and proud. I'm going to say it loud and proud. ICT is a load of... It's a load of... I can't say swear words on stream. But it is a waste of time. Does it work? To a degree. You can make money off ICT. But you will not make as much money trading real market structure, real direction, and man, keep trading simpler than ICT, bro. Keep trading simpler than ICT. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, smart money and ICT is marketing strategy. Yeah, you know what? ICT works to a degree, but it's not consistent, bro. It's not consistent. And let me tell you right now, I know a lot of guys that trade ICT. I know a lot of traders that trade ICT. None of them make as much money as what a trader like myself or a trader that trades simple makes. I'm telling you, all these ICT traders are making like maybe $100, $200, $300. They're making a couple hundred. I don't see ICT traders pulling off $4,000, $5,000 days. I don't see it. Guys that are pulling $4,000, $5,000 days are guys that are actually trading simple structure, just direction, trading the trend. Yeah. ICT can make sense to some people, but they just, yeah, that's my opinion about it, guys. That's my opinion, and if you don't agree with me, that's cool, man. People are allowed to have different opinions. People are allowed to have different opinions. Being an ICT student, it's bogus, but anything given enough time, effort. Yeah, I was also there. I was also a student on ICT learning how not to trade. I was there, just keep giving my money back over and over and over again. I've been there. Don't worry, I've been there. I have been there. Well, a lot of us have been there, haven't we? Okay, so there you go, guys. Look at current price. Look at the 5 minute. I said, let's get back above the EMA, right? And what's price doing? Price is getting back above the EMA. So if this candle can close in 2 minutes, that might be an entry to go long again. I do think personally, I'm not going to enter this though, just because we've already taken a win for the day. But notice how, this is what we're going to talk about tomorrow. Very, 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 very important, guys. Notice how price pulled back below that EMA. Right? Are you listening? We've now got back above it. Right? Notice how we're now pushing higher. Let's look to the left over here. We dipped down below EMA. What happened when we got back above it? We pushed higher. Simple. Simple, 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 simple. And that's how I trade. That's how I'm trading, man. That is how I'm trading. So simple. Extremely simple trading. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a nap till now. Okay, so Nifa's coming. Okay, Nifa's gonna take a nap till 9 a.m. I'll see you tomorrow. Cameron, thanks. You are most welcome. I love you so much. Have a fantastic day. And sleep on those profits you've just made. And trade safe at 9 a.m. if you're going to trade around there. And see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. There you go, guys. We're coming up for that level. We are coming for that level. Super, 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 super simple. Super, 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 super simple. Super, super simple. Alright, watch. I'm going to enter a buy right now. Why? Because we've closed back above EMA. I'm just entering. Okay, I'm going to enter 2.
Order fill.
Well, I'm not going in with a lot, guys. I'm going in like very minimal. Reason being is because I've already taken a really nice win on stream with you guys in the beginning. But this is my setup coming into action right now. I want to see price come up into this level. There we go. There we're getting the push. There we're getting the push, guys. There we're getting the push. Why am I taking this buy? Because price closed above my EMA and the current candle has just broken previous high. So now I'm getting into this trade. There we go. There we go. Simple, simple, simple. Simple, simple, simple. Now price is coming to our key level, guys. It's coming to our key level. I should actually close because it has come into my level. But I'm going to try hold this to see if price wants to break above. The reason I'm holding this is because we had a lot of buying momentum come back above the EMA. There you go. There we're getting the pop. I resonate with your system so well. Real profitable traders are always relaxed regardless of outcome. I appreciate you, bro. I really appreciate you. I hope to see you here tomorrow. I like you, bro. I love you, bro. It's almost like they're in flow state all the time. Yep, they are in flow state all the time. It's not like you think they are in flow state, bro. They really, really are. Simplicity is the best. Yep, it is the best, bro. It is the best, bro. I mean, look now. Look now, right? At this trade I've just taken. Simple, simple, simple. Let me quickly go to like the 15 minute. What's the 15 saying? Okay, there we go. Let's look at 15, guys. Simple, simple. So 15, okay? The 15 minute, okay, pulled back into EMA. It really respected it. It really held it. We threw wicks close above, and then what a trade! What a trade, bro! What a trade! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! What a trade! What a trade! What a trade! What a freaking trade! What a trade, guys! I'm up. Oh, I should have gone in bigger size, no? But it's okay. Let's get out. I'm close.
Order fill.
I'm out. 2 on 2 wins. 2-on-2 wins, bro. 2-on-2 wins. 2-on-2. No, my strategy's goated, bro. I am. I'm a very emotional trader, as you can see right now. What a W, bro. I said, we let price close back above EMA. And we're going to trade the break of that 5-minute high. What happened? Boom! Rocket to the moon. Don't worry, guys. We're going to talk EMA tomorrow. We are going to talk EMA. Jesus, this thing is really going. This is really taking off, guys. Should have gone in bigger size, I won't lie. But you know what? I'm so satisfied with my profits for the day. I made another $200 just on that little scalp quick. Super, super, super nice. Oh, lovely, lovely. We got someone that's gone in long as well. Super, super, super nice, bro. Lovely stuff. Lovely, lovely. It's so nice to see someone in with a very similar system. I won't lie, that was a crazy trade. Today's been a really, really good day trading. It's been a great day trading with you all. If you haven't, drop a like on this. Drop a like on the stream. Drop a like on the stream. Drop a like on the stream. Show me some love. I'll give you some love tomorrow. Guys, something I do know. Thunder Pro's gonna hate me. They're gonna hate me because I'm gonna be on here helping you guys milk them. We're gonna milk Thunder Pro Futures, guys. Massive volume, yeah, bro. Massive volume. If it retests a high and hold, I guess we'll have a long day. Indices are bullish while commodities are bearish. Yeah, bro. Possibly. I don't know if you were here in the beginning of the stream, but you can go back after and have a look. I did say I start my analysis on the daily, but this is where we're going to kind of go into technical analysis together tomorrow and the next week. I said at the start of the stream, I did say to the guys, I said, guys, let's look at yesterday's daily candle, right? So let's focus on yesterday's daily candle, right? Yesterday's daily candle was really engulfing. There was so much buying volume in yesterday's daily candle, right? Going into today's candle, I said to the guys on stream, I want to see today's candle sell off, create a bottom wick, and then I want that bottom wick to now then go flip and then turn into creating the top wick. I think that today we're going to come for all-time highs. I think that today price is going to flip and run bullish. I think we're going to have a really big rally today, right? I think that this is just the bottom wick of the daily candle. That's how candles work. Candles open, right? They will create a bottom wick and then they will flip to then create the top wick. And it's on that flip that you want to catch. And that's exactly what's happened on this daily candle. And that is why I was buying. That's why I'm buying. I'm buying the pullback of the daily. I'm buying the pullback to now go create the top wick. Okay. So yes, going back to what you said, I do think we're going to come all the way back up into this level. We're going to come all the way back up into this level up here, right? Why this level? Let me tell you. Let's go to the hourly. This is the leveling system I use. The reason why I want to see price come back up into this level, guys, is because firstly, it's by all-time highs. Okay, number one. Number two, there is a really big seller that stepped in over there, right? That's a key level. That's a key point in price where a seller stepped in and pushed price lower. So I think the buyers are going to go back up into that level to test those sellers to see if they want to hold. If we can get above those sellers, break above, we are going to go for all-time highs and we're going to just rocket up. So yeah. Daily candle first, then 1 hour strike. Yep, bro, we have the same strategy, bro. That's what I do. Daily candle is number one for me. Then I go to the 4 hourly, 1 hourly, and then the 5 minute. I use the 15 sometimes, but I usually like to drop on the 1 hourly straight to that 15 minute. Same thesis I had, bro. What's your Telegram? I don't do Telegram. I don't do Discord. I'm not a fan of that stuff. I do have Instagram. I'll put my Instagram in the chat and you can pop me a follow. My Instagram is... Here's my Instagram. I've just sent it in the chat. You can go check my Instagram out. I post a lot of content regards to Fundapro futures on there, and a lot of the clips from previous streams. If you go look at my Instagram, you'll see I've got a lot of clips from my previous streams of me trading the strategy. Go check that out. What a trade. Jeez, that was a beautiful buy, yeah. I won't lie, I'm really, really proud of that one. That was so nice. If I just went in with some more size. But it's okay. It's okay. Shoulda, woulda, coulda is not going to get me anywhere. It's not going to get me anywhere. Still, I made someone's monthly salary today. $1,400. I know somewhere in the world that's a monthly salary. In France, that's like the average salary for like a 9-to-5 worker. What a stream, man. We've had someone ask, when will we get the free funded account? It's not in this stream. I'm not giving away a funded account in this stream. Maybe next week I'll give away some challenge accounts for free. I'm going to get some special permission. Let's see. But, if you want to win a funded account today, it's in the New York stream with Michelle. Michelle's giving away the 100K challenge today for you guys, which is in 1 hour from now. 1 hour he's giving it away. I appreciate all of you. Guys, I'm going to be ending stream in the next 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 20. Oh, let's see. Let's just see. Let's hang out a bit more. But, yeah. If you guys want to be trading New York session, for sure, Fundapro, we're going to go live for New York session again. I won't be trading New York session, but I know Michelle's going live to be trading New York session, and he's giving away a 100K challenge account with a CFD. It's a CFD, it's not a futures. But yeah, I will be streaming every single day live for you guys. I'm live streaming daily. This is my show built for you guys. I'm going to be turning you guys into rich traders. But seriously, no jokes aside, guys, this is the daily show. I'm going to be trading with you guys daily at the same time every single day. So if you want to be part of it, just turn on notifications or follow me on social media, on my Instagram, and you will not miss out on the next stream. So guys, I will be seeing you all tomorrow, same time, same place, and let's see if we can actually all get a win. Let's see if we can all get a win for our last stream together of the week before we can all enjoy our weekend and come back on Monday strong together. With that being said, guys, I love all of you so much. Thank you all for being here for the first stream of the daily show, and this is just the start of something big. We are going to do something really special together, and I'm going to really be by your side, help you guys turn to profitability throughout the next few months. This is Cam Sorbet. Welcome to the daily show, guys. I love you all. Thank you all for joining.